I can appeal no Capitec mina bhubha nginankinga as long as ngizothola umimi mina yabo la ngeke bese tholane lo mnikazi wekuku ngoba phela musufuna imali engaka athi okay sharp ke athi boy okay fine I will sell it for 70,000 kuThomi athi Thomi ngikutholele inzotha erightin ingithe gqi mina ngo 20 angayisho phela imali ephelele yabo siyolala Morocco no not Morocco which is the country that is rich no not Morocco le country linemoto yini le country linemoto elibizayo enomjaho yemoto how but leli rich lelo country ke lelo. Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is The Couch with Nash. I'm bringing you tea and anything and everything that is currently trending. Okay, let's get to it. Today we're speaking about Mihlali Ndamase, the King M. I love Mihlali so much. Kuningi. Siqalapi. Okay, so Mihlali released a statement just a day ago. The statement that she releases, she speaks of high. Let me read a statement just a bit. Do you want me to read a statement for you? Ngizokufundela a statement. I am issuing this statement as a matter of safety and self-preservation. I am deeply concerned for my life and for the well-being of my family. Should anything happen to me, it's important that the truth is known. For several months, I have been subjected to ongoing harassment, threats, and intimidation by a man named Michael Brits, also known as Mike blah 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 blah. He handle yake Instagram guy. My privacy by the name of Mike. After I have rejected his advances, his behavior escalated into something obsessive. I have personally witnessed him following me. Okay, uthi Mihlali lana yindelento ngeke phela ngilongifundela nani nizoyifundela ngizoyifaka leceleni. Mihlali says there's a man by the name of Michael Brits who is following him and then who's following her, and then she is scared for her life because this man appears as a toilet, this man appears iqhama, this man appears eyojolela, this man appears even emsebenzini. So uthi ke le ndoda ayigcini nje ngokulandela yena ke kuphela ke manje isilandela ngisho abazali bakhe. Therefore ke uthumeli wakhe uyadila nalolu daba, njengoba edila nalolu daba nje naye umimi usazoqhubeka alenalo ngoba amadoda awasafuni njengamanje ayizwe mangabe umuntu uthi no. Hayi ke simdabukele kumimi ke ekade veza le statement sisho nkosami uthi hawu hey kade yaza shimani indoda. Fast forward, turns out no anjalo. Mihlali has been dating this man since last year September, because the first transaction that is being seen, it's in September, where this man is transferring 100,000 to Mihlali. Okay, now fast forward, back forward. Yeah, let's back forward. Let's move. So guy, first of all, this man is married with 2 beautiful kids and the wife. Look here on my corner. Ube obsessed ngo Mihlali. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe after the what Mihlali went through with uLeroy, wonke umuntu obonza ayibo singajola nalona ejola noLeroy ayibo. Then Mike always wanted this girl, this gorgeous girl, but engazi kusho ukuthi akhulumeke nabantu abathile khona wathi ena wena hambe kumngani wakhe lo gay uzokwazi ukuthi akufaka kuxhumanisa. Hayi kuthi agijima uMichael uMike ndini lona agijima uMike ndini eyofuna uBobby nangempela amthola uBobby asethi Bobby ngifuna athi uBobby nothing for mahala, the economy is not economing same, however mina I can make a plan for you only if wena you appear on my Capitec. Hayi Atu Michael, no, I can appear on your Capitec mina bhubha nginankinga as long as ngizothola umimi mina yabo nangempela ukuthi wasuke lapho ke uMichael athi kulo athi ufuna emalini lapho ngiapherishe ngamalini ucapital kwakhe athi uBobby 100,000 athi Michael hayi ngeke bese tholane lo mnikazi wekuku ngoba phela mase ufuna imali engaka athi okay sharp ke athi boy okay fine I will sell it for 70,000 nangempela uthi awukhipha 70,000 lo 70,000 okuvula umlomo ukuthi nje exchange ama numbers hayi usuke lapho ayithola inamba ajabule kanjani kulentuzana uMike agijima uBobhaye kuThomi athi Thomi ngikutholele inzoza erightin ingithe gqi mina ngo20 angayisho phela imali ephelele yabo but nje ngabe ngathi akathi gqi omunye u30 so kuno 50 nje so therefore wena uma ngabe ungena la hayi siyolala eMorocco no not Morocco which is the country that is rich. No, not Morocco. Le country linemoto. Yini le country linemoto elibizayo enomjaho yemoto. How but leli rich lelo country ke lelo ngizolikhumbula nilibhalela phansi. Hayi Twage, then the numbers were exchanged. Ajabule ku Mike athi my queen, my beautiful queen. What do you want? Athi girl, breakfast by the ocean. Athi lo bro. Nangu 100,000 ingene imali 100,000 seyimvula mlomo lo akakamthinta akakamuzi nokuthi uniwa kanjani kuthi aqhubeka uGuy athi girl no I just feel like breakfast today I just feel like athenga uGuy then uGuy athenga ezinye ingubo iDolce & Gabbana athengela ugeli ehamba eya kuleya YouTube celebration alogelo ejolofini lo wethu nabantu aba100 la umina egqoke ingubo epink leyo ayithenga uMike athi Mimi I have bought you things that you want so tell me my darling ngikuthola kuphi but suppose we are going to Cape Town I will buy more for you nangempela kuthiwe ke uMike athenge ke eDolce & Gabbana simbonelo kuthiwe ngelanga athi nje mekavuka umimi athi flowers for my queen ama bouquet flowers amani into ongazi ukuthi uthenga izimbali uzozenzani izimbali umosha imali isimo somnotho sinjeni hayi ke kuthi uGuy abe obsessed ke uGuy ke and then now they start dating but the guy keeps on giving the money and then the girl is coming in but coming out akaboni kahle ukuthi hayibo are you my girlfriend or not kuthiwa langa acela imali ugeli athi futhi again uGuy athi 200,000 man labo 200,000 nabo 100,000 sikhuluma ngabo u300,000 sekuhlangene no 3,000 ngicela ungizwise 300,000. We are not including the food. We are not including the going out. We are not including the hotels. We are not including the flights. Asikhulume ngama gift. Sikhuluma nje ngemali nje ingqothovu eseza again. Ayi futhi yabona shembe. Kusho ukuthi thina lemhlabeni angazi ukuthi sazelani. Angazi mina emhlabeni ukuthi ngempela senzelani ngoba sengifisa ukuyitesta nami ngizwe ukuthi iCofononza ayifani yini yabo awethu anjani mhlawumbe amaCofononza yabo awanayo yini le awudeserve in 300 okay hayi phela nami ngabusengisikela kulinoni awudeserve yini ke noma ke 5,000 ke hayi man something is not right 300,000 excluding flowers and everything kuthi uGuy athi my queen what else would you like athi mihlali open a store for me in the richest mile in Africa. Athu guys say no more. Amvulele lesitolo lesike manje umihlale athi le ndoda imlandela nasemsebenzini. How? Kanti isitolo sivulelwe lona. Vulela isitolo. Aqale kumimi launch sithi wow thank God Jesus is great Jesus is faithful. Thank you for the shop. You have a beautiful shop mimi. Sharp fast forward. uGuy athiwa ke manje athi ke uzothengela ugeli iLamborghini but ke ugeli lokhu uyahlehla manje uyahlehla kodwa angicabanga ukuthi akaze amnikeze ngicabanga ukuthi sekwamnikeze Cofononza but yabo shuthi because bese Cape Town bonke there's no way yabo I think usekamnikeze Cofononza but akafuna ukumnika njalo ngoba shuthi akamfilo kwangempela mina girl ngiyacabanga ukuthi mimi uyamdinga usesomdala ngoba lo dodi lo sothatha imali wathatha imali wawudla 7,000 asadvise kahle lenti is uvulela isitolo unika u300,000 uthengela izimbali uthengela Dolce & Gabbana labo noma yini ekuthiwa uyifuna uyanikeza girl cela ama-ace of spade ahlampa 100 ne-stogram ubeke la uma ngabe nje uzoya kuyena uphuze engazuthi uJesu kuthiwe uyabuya namhlanje ungakhumbuli next ekseni uvuka nje umuntu ogulayo keke uyahamba njalo nje wena mozohlala nje niphuze nje uthi babe just to play around this man, girl, because the man is being moneyed. You keep imali, there's no way ukuthi uzodlala ngayo. Kodwa guy, okay, back to the story. To guy amthengele ifoni. Lama phone lawa manje esimanje manje lawa akhona manje yini lama phone lawa akhona manje amthengele iPhone 2027 yini lento le ama 2026 which year are we in now? Which year are we in now? 2027, 2026. Amthengele ifoni ya this year. Ntiyakabuza ngela mamthengela le phone enze njani uguy ayicuphe ifoni. Shothi ugele nje uyafona hello my new phone uguy uyalalela uyambona uhamba naye because uyathola ukuthi ena akamnikezi uthando lu 100%. Lo thando lolu is half thando yabo is half thandorish. Athi uguy angeke ngidlale wena amlandeleke. That's where the stalking comes from. Now, the letter that was released, the statement was released by Mihlali is because uMihlali uyafeba yena ngapha ufeba nejolofina elase Nigeria utholakala e16 hotel and then when it's a 16 hotel indaba yaya kuMusa ukusho ukuthi uMike yona okhiphile indaba yayisa kuMusa and you never know even the friends love so mhlawumbe uyena Bobby lo uhambile uBobby uthatha uMike utshelela uBobby ukuthi lo muntu lona ngenza inyoni kade se16 hotel nendoda uMike mhlawumbe nje uBobby hamba oxoxela uMusa we don't know but anyway Musa releases a story Mihlali releases a statement to say indaba yeprivacy yakhe kanti no uMichael useziyela mathupha ngoba usuke emazi ukuthi ukuphi uMichael ukhala ngento eyi1 keke all the statement says Michael says okay you've told the people that I'm a stalker I'm following you but why are you not telling them you saying no I'm following you because I asked you out to say no Mike says no tshela abantu ukuthi wena I've given you money and me giving you money is not just any money. I've opened a shop for you in the richest mile in Africa. Angcinanga lapho ngikuflyisa in and out wena mofuna uflyer wena yimi lo ngiyakuflyisa so therefore please don't play me you know akasho ugela ukuthi all those things now Mike usethi-ke usefonile court order naye ubopha uMihlali uthi please bring each and every cent that I ever given you Mike uthi buyisa nesenti enganginika lona ngoba wena uyangihlambalaza and wena uyabhizi uyojola lapha ya namajolof akho that's jolof lo jola nalo ihamba ngejewe khona kuthi uhamba umfazi usevele wayithatha imoto ngoba lo uyafeba mafethu ayi Mihlali sithanda sami let me be a bigger sister for you let me be a big sister to you Mihlali my baby girl uyabona le ndoda wrong hayibo kusho ngakhohle Mihlali ayisayinise le ndoda NDA non-disclosure agreement yeah bucatha guys non-disclosure agreement amsayinise athi nje ubusana la ngicela ungahamba ukhuluma now again so but this man is also not okay upstairs as soon as that woman gave you that NDA indaleyo didn't you realize the fact ukuthi you are not in a relationship kusho ukuthi uMihlali when she went in she knew ukuthi vela akamfuni uguy so akafuni kube into end September October November December and January now it's took longer so ugirl that's why esembalekela so bekumele ukuthi ugirl aqhubeke phela alethe ikhekhe uguy ngoba usakhokha and there's a shop the shop has been opened and the shop is running and mhlambe kasayikhokha irent kuguy but the shop is there you know and the money is you've chowed the money girl so I was thinking you were supposed to keep on entertaining this man not to fully yabona nje usuhlulu nje ukuthi methe hi baby uthi hey baby usende ucimele yabo like just do it you know just do it at least iqhubhe isikhathi, but ulokhu umkhumbuza ukuthi no, asijoli, don't be, I can't see you every day. Yabo. 2, when I'm like, awukho okay upstairs, by the time this woman gives you this thing to sign, you're supposed to know this is not a relationship, it's a business transaction. If that day akafoni, then akafoni, ukuthi kumele kubo every day usufone ngathi une-girlfriend. Why ungafuni abanye abantu abazidingayo lezo zimali abangena ngisikhona Mike? Hayi kodwa ngeke mina, you can't tell me ukuthi mihlali kade nje early this year, not this year, this other year phela busy ko Dubai ethe uNkulunkulu akanalo iqiniso. I don't care what you say, God does not have iqiniso. Because what do you mean ukuthi thina sisa stress abantu yazini ustress umuntu uhamba ngeenyawo. Hey, get that's because sokudlala emhlabeni girls are getting 300,000 Ks and mina nawe sikhalela indoda Zulumen lapha emphethe sibhamu lapha ixoshisana namatekisi. No. We need to do better. This is 2026. Anyway, this is the story I wanted to tell you. So where we at right now, Michael wants all the money from Mihlali. Mihlali released a statement saying the lawyers are working on it. He wants to sue, she wants to sue Soisha Ugai uthi mina lethi imali yami. But now Mihlali mustn't pay this man. Akuvele kupheleke manje. Umnikile uCofononza. If ukuthi uyamkolota akabuyele umnikeza one more Cofononza and then it's done. Okay guys, thank you so much for pulling through on my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe and I'm going to see you again with another news and another thing. And please guys, do watch the vlogs that are in here. I'm going to be doing my story time sooner or later. Mwah. On the couch. On the couch.